Brother, your ass got robbed. If you
Y'all tell me if I'm crazy. Go
went today, you can get it for a big double discount. Here's
the price and come right back.
you went and bought this oscillating fan.
I'm going to expose 5 reasons why this store generated $730,000 in TikTok shop revenue in just the last 7 days. And some of these genuinely surprised me. And the first reason is their email to social proof flywheel. If we visit their Shopify store homepage, there's a pop-up that asks you to click here to get a discount. Now, if I click on here, what happens? I get a pop-up asking me to enter my email. Once I enter my email, I get a discount. And once I get a discount, I purchase their products. Why would I not give them a positive review? Which leads to massive social proof. And at 3,138 reviews, averaging 4.6 stars, that is clearly an indication that the flywheel is actually working for them. And if you are a TikTok shop seller that also runs a Shopify store, there are a multitude of no-brainer tools, apps that you can install to capture emails to copy this same approach. But all of that is a complete waste of time if you don't take advantage of this next point. Number 2, which is leveraging seasonality. What do I mean? If we look at this graph, we can see that it slowly, gradually starts building up. The main reasons is most countries in the Northern Hemisphere are moving from spring into summer. And this includes places like the United Kingdom, the United States, Canada, and most of Europe and much of Asia. A lot of countries which have solid buying power. Stay with me. This product is a bedroom pedestal fan because it's getting warmer in a lot of places. And if we go into the product description, adjustable pedestal fan provides powerful 10 to 50 CFM. And even myself, who knows pretty much nothing about the technical intricacies of fans, I know that it's quiet, it's powerful, and I know that it cools a sizable area. And not only that, there's multiple ads that we're going to circle back to in just a second that nail that in even further for me as a prospect. As you can see, there's a bunch of different ones. But before we do that, let's jump into this third reason. If you look under the hood, I strongly believe that they are leveraging the Shopify to TikTok integration. What is this integration? Without going too technical, an integration is where you can have two software platforms talking to each other. An event or activity happens on one platform, it automatically gets updated on the other. The integration that exists between Shopify and TikTok Shop allows Shopify products to be pushed into TikTok Shop. So once you set up your Shopify store and your listings, you don't have to set them up from scratch on TikTok Shop as well. You do the work once and it appears both on Shopify and on TikTok Shop. Having discussed similar integrations between various CRMs and various platforms with B2B and B2C customers from around the globe, it screams integration to me. And as wonderful as that setup sounds, it will achieve nothing if you don't also leverage point number 4, doubling down on the affiliate model. Now, if we go into their Shopify store, we can see they've got this co-branding partners tab. And if I click on there, that loads this page, which lets us know that they work with a number of partners that connect them with affiliates outside of TikTok, which has its own built-in affiliate network. So if I click on affiliate program here, we can see that you can join via Awin, you can join via Partner Boost. Partner Boost is an all-in-one partnership management platform designed to help direct to consumer and Amazon sellers manage affiliate, influencer, and brand ambassador programs in one place. So they've taken the model that's working for them on TikTok Shop and they've expanded it into other platforms outside of TikTok Shop. And this Awin platform, they're a global top-tier affiliate marketing platform that connects content creators, influencers, and website owners, publishers with over 30,000 brands and advertisers across industries like retail, finance, and travel. Once again, the same model that's working for them on TikTok Shop, they're expanding, leveraging it elsewhere. All of that means nothing if they get this next part wrong. The fifth point, which really just kind of pulls all of this together, is the fact that the benefits of the product easy to visualize and sell. The main vehicle for selling the product is affiliates, right? And affiliates are not going to want to go anywhere near the product if it's not easy to visualize and sell the benefits. We can see this creator here, 346,000 in the last 30 days, 285,000 in the last 30 days. This one here, 154,750 in the last 30 days. We can see the hallmarks of the famous TikTok Shop GMV Max with all of these top videos here showing the ad sticker. But don't take my word for it. I'm going to play you some of these high performing video ads in just a second, and we're going to come back together and just have a look at what's really working specifically within these ads. As you can see, it's easy to show the benefits of the product to the viewer in just a few seconds. The selling points, not only that they're simple to understand, but they're speaking to some very painful points that people experience regularly. In addition to that, these selling points are repeatable. They're not complicated. You don't need to put a ton of effort in these videos. They can be done without showing your face, without saying a single word. Even if you are a small creator, these creators are going to be interested in promoting this product because it's easy to promote it. From the 7-day performance of the product based on the 5% commission, they have paid out $36,550 in commission to affiliates. Based on their performance in the last 30 days, they've paid out $86,000 in commission to affiliates. Another element that makes this more attractive. And all of this sounds very well, but if you're finding yourself stuck between $1,000 GMV every month on TikTok Shop, whether you're a seller, whether you're an affiliate, and you are looking for a solution, I understand these videos may not always answer your specific questions directly. I've left a link in the description where you can get in touch with me. I'd love to help and see how close to your goals we can take you as well. So jump in the description or the pinned comment. All the details are there. I'll see you soon.